students. Today we will start the 7th chapter of Geography, and this is the last chapter of your 6th class, and this is the third term which we are going to deal with. And in your third term, 2 chapters are included. First one is representation of geographical features, and the second one is South America. So in our previous classes, in the second semester, we have completed North America, and now we study about South America. So when we talk about the continents, we have already discussed that about 7 continents are there. In that, South America is the 4th largest continent. Other 3 are Asia, then Africa, and then North America. And this South America is the 4th largest continent. So in this chapter, in the first part, that is this video is the first part of our South America. In this part, we will study about its discovery, about its location and its boundaries, and about its political divisions. So this video is of 2 parts. First I will give an introduction, and then we will go with the PowerPoint presentation. So let's start the class. Now South America, it is the 4th largest continent, and the first topic which we have to read is introduction. So about introduction of South America. South America is a continent which falls in the northern and southern hemisphere. You can say that it's a continent which is in the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. That means equator passes through this continent. Through this place you can see equator. Equator passes through North America. So this is this first line is equator. So equator passes through North America, and above equator 13 degree is there. 13 degree latitude. So that 13 degree latitude is above equator, and the remaining it is below equator. So you can see here, let me study about its location and its place where it is located. It is 30 degree north and 55 degree south. So remaining 55 degrees in the southern hemisphere. Now next line, this is Tropic of Capricorn. It falls in the southern hemisphere. So this line, that is 23 and a half degree south. It is Tropic of Capricorn. It is in the southern hemisphere, and you can see this Tropic of Capricorn also passes through it. So 2 important latitudes passes through South America, and they are Equator and Tropic of Capricorn. Then talking about its climatic condition, when we see this Equator and the Tropic of Capricorn is here, that means more major share of this continent falls in the tropics or in the torrid zone. That means this place experience a very hot and humid climate. They get a rainfall throughout the year, and it is hot and humid. Here it is Brazil and Amazon forest. So you can understand about the rainfall and the thickness of forest here in this area. Here it is Brazil, and the Amazon forest can be seen here. And anything you have got about Anaconda, and that is also seen in this place. Now talking about its 4 boundaries. Caribbean Sea, you can see here Caribbean Sea. Caribbean Sea is in the north of South America. And when we studied about South America, I told you that Caribbean Sea is in the south of North America. And here Caribbean Sea is in the north. Then the remaining things are same. Here in the west Pacific Ocean, in the east you can see Atlantic Ocean, and in the south Southern Ocean. Southern Ocean, I think you all know what is Southern Ocean. It's a combination of all the oceans, and this ocean can be seen above Antarctica. So these are the boundaries. North Caribbean Sea, west Pacific Ocean, in the east Atlantic Ocean, and in the south Southern Ocean. Now here there was a connection earlier with North America, and that was separated by an artificial canal, and that canal is called Panama Canal. Now North America and South America is separated by Panama Canal. So this is the connection with North America, and this is the location and where it is located. Now let's see its discovery. It is discovered by Christopher Columbus, and after its discovery, many Europeans came and settled in South America, and people from French, Dutch, etc. came and settled in South America because it is a country having plenty of natural resources. So they came and settled there, and these people spoke Latin language. So obviously the people who lived there, later also those who came there, they were forced to speak this language, and that's why we call the South American countries as the Latin American countries. They are also called as Latin American countries because there the people who came and lived there usually speak Latin language. Now, the next important thing which we have to understand is about the latitude and longitudinal extent. Latitude, as I told you, 30° north and 55° south. So, in some part of your textbook it is written as north, change it to south. Then longitude, it is 35° west to 81° west. So, this continent is located in the western side and its location is from north to south. Some part is in the northern hemisphere and the remaining part in the southern hemisphere. Now coming toward the last portion, that is the political division. When we study about the political division of South America, it is divided into 13 countries and the most important one is Brazil. The major share of South America is in Brazil, and then Argentina, Chile, like that. So many countries are there in South America. That most important are Brazil and Argentina, and the remaining are so many small countries are there. And the southern tip of South America is called Cape Horn, and it is in the Terra del Fuego Island. Now these are the important things, and along with this you can see the PowerPoint presentation. In that, fill up questions and short answer questions can be you can identify it, and it is explained. So you can take it down as short questions, as fill up questions, and you can learn it properly. So here I wind up the first part of our video, and now we will continue with the PowerPoint presentation.
Start the PowerPoint presentation. In this part of our video, we'll discuss about South America and the important points which you have to study for your exam. So we have already finished the first part of our video, and this part you can watch it through the PowerPoint presentation, and you can write the fill-up questions, and this can be asked for your exam. Now the points are like this. South America is the 4th largest continent in the world. It was discovered by Christopher Columbus in 1498, and after the discovery, many people from England, like people from Spain, Portugal, Italy and France, initially settled in South America. The two main languages spoken by them are Spanish and Portuguese. These people are also called as Latin America, or these people are called as Latin Americans, and along with that, this area is also called Latin American country. And why it is called like that, we have already discussed. And now we'll move to the next part, that is the location of this continent. It is the 4th largest continent, and the other 3 are Asia, Africa and North America. And the position is 13° north to 55° south. It is south, so you have to correct it in your book and you have to learn. And then it is 35° west to 81° west longitude. Now Tropic of Capricorn, it passes through Rio de Janeiro, and South America's southern tip is Cape Horn. It lies in the Terra del Fuego Island. Very important, its southern tip is Cape Horn and it lies in the Terra del Fuego Island. Now you can see the map, and here you can see the rivers, and along with that Brazil, Colombia, Argentina, Chile, etc., which is considered as the main important countries of South America. Now Latin America. Why this place is called Latin America, I've already discussed, but just we will read through it. The 4 Latin American countries called Colombia, Peru, Bolivia and Argentina. These countries are called Latin American countries because these countries were first colonized by countries of South Europe, especially Spain and Portugal, who belonged to the Latin race, and they speak Latin. So the group of countries inherited by them came to be known as Latin America. So from the almost south part of North America, that small countries which is in the after Mexico, or along with that, we call those areas and the South American countries together as Latin American countries, because these countries were once colonized by Europeans and the people who speak Latin language. Now you can see the political division. And the second part of our chapter is of political division. And in the political division, you can see countries like Brazil, Venezuela, Colombia, Peru, Bolivia, Argentina, and Chile. And in this part, about 13 countries and its capitals are given, and it is compulsory for you to learn all the capitals and the countries. You have to by heart it. And in your textbook, it is given that so many countries like Falkland Island, which is under the control of South Georgia Island, and another known sovereign areas are also there. Then Galapagos Island, which is in the Pacific Ocean, is under the control of Ecuador. Then Aruba, Bonaire, Carcos Island, which is commonly called as ABC Islands of Netherlands, they are also a part of South America. So like that, some are included in South America and some are excluded from that. So you can see all the important countries and its capitals, and you have to by heart it. And these are the countries and capitals: Brazil, Brasilia, Argentina, Buenos Aires, Uruguay, Montevideo, Suriname, Paramaribo, Guyana, Georgetown, Venezuela, Caracas, Bolivia, La Paz and Saucer, and Chile, Santiago, Peru, Lima, Colombia, Bogota, Ecuador, Quito, Paraguay, Asuncion, and French Guiana, Cayenne. These are the important countries and capitals, and you have to by heart all the 13, because it can be asked for in your exam as a part of match the following or choose the correct answer or even fill up. So you have to learn all the 13 questions and its answers. So once again, it's a very small portion which we discussed today, just an introduction, then the location and the political division. In political division, whatever important questions can be asked, we have discussed, and here you have to learn something more, that is the Falkland Island and Georgia Island are some other non-sovereign countries which is controlled by United Kingdom. Then Galapagos Island is under Ecuador. Aruba, Bonaire and Caracos Island are called ABC Islands, which is under the control of Netherlands. So these are the important points which you have to study. Along with that, what separates North America from South America? It is Panama Canal that separates North America from South America. So all these are the political division and the introduction of South America. Now in the next video, we'll continue with the physical features of South America. So read your textbook well, and find the fill-up answers, prepare fill-up answers, and write it in your copy and learn. Thank you.